much for all the love and support that you have shown me on the previous videos. I'm so glad, and for all the lovely opinions and comments, thank you so much. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well and are safe at home. So those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Few weeks has been really tough for us, and I think we should really take some time and praise ourselves. You should praise yourself for being so strong and being so challenging towards all the things that those are coming towards us. So I think you should take a moment and praise yourself for all those things. So today's video is all about few things that I do when I feel really bored, or few things which I am adding to my lifestyle to make it a bit better, which I didn't used to do earlier. Hope you like it, and if we have something in similar, do let me know in the comment section below, and you please watch till the end. You might end up picking few things out from it. So the first thing which I'm going to say you is really important. I know most of you might be doing it, but this is for those who are not. It's really important for us to adopt this thing in our lifestyle. So it's cleaning and organizing stuff. You can always start small, like I tell you can always start from small things. You can start by cleaning or organizing your cupboard or your small space where you keep your essentials. Then you can slowly go to cleaning your room and your whole clothes cupboard and all those things. So this is really important, you guys, and try to make your own bed when you wake up in the morning. It's really good. It's a good habit. So now the second one is self-care. Now we have loads of time for ourselves, and it's really important to take care of yourself and pamper yourself. So earlier we didn't used to have a lot of time for ourselves. I didn't used to have a lot of time for myself. So now that we all have, why don't we use it also to pamper ourselves? It can be anything. If you think listening to music for some times and relaxing give you a good vibe, do that. Just close your eyes and listen to music and listen to different songs. And things like you can pamper your skin, you can pamper your hair. There is no need of making a huge mask or buying expensive things. You can just do it with things which are already present in your house. I'll soon bring a video which you can just make by using 2 or 3 ingredients. It'll be super easy, don't worry. I'll soon bring it on my channel, and so you can add those too. So now the third, I think everyone should adopt it. I am also trying to adopt it every single day. So it's reading. It can be anything. It can be a newspaper, it can be a short article, it can be a novel, poem, anything, guys. You just have to add at least 5 to 10 minutes initially of reading in your life, and it will literally change your life. So do that and let me know. So now the fourth thing, and it's really new to me also, and I have recently discovered it, so I should thought of sharing it with you guys. So it is gardening. Yes, I have recently discovered that gardening is also fun, and I will also bring a video on this topic too. I have a lot of videos to make on few topics. So gardening, I'm still learning about it. You can also take, it's not essential to go out there and bring seeds and all those things and pots and everything. You can just simply do your kitchen and take tomato seeds or coriander seeds or any seeds which are available and go start with it. It will be good, don't worry. Just have confidence on yourself and take help from your mother. She might be really glad to help you, or take help from whoever is present. And I have already made a video about it. You can go and check it out. So it's adding workout. If you feel active and motivated, and it's gonna freshen up your mind, so do go for it. And now that we have a lot of time in our hands, so stop giving excuses. Enough, you have to stop now and try to add this in your routine. Initially, as I told you in my earlier video, start with a smaller duration, then expand it. So yeah. So now the sixth thing is developing a hobby. Guys, it's really important to develop a hobby, and now that we all have a lot of time in our hand, it's why don't we use it properly and smartly, and let's just develop different hobbies. When we were child, we always had things which we used to enjoy doing, like painting or dancing or singing. It can be anything. We will again develop hobbies and add to it in our lifestyle. Now the seventh thing is so improving our habits. We have few habits that might not be great, like waking up really late, or not making our bed after we wake up, or not having our breakfast on time, not drinking water. So why don't we improve those habits? It's a really essential thing which you should not skip, is improving our habits. Before adding on more things in our life, it's really important to improve what is existing. Like few habits we can improve it. It can be like, as I told you earlier, we can start by making our own bed when we wake up in the morning, or drinking a lot of water and having our breakfast. Or it can be any one of your habit which you think you should improve. So go for it. You have a lot of time, and improve yourself. That is really essential, and that's just gonna improve your personality. So go for it. So last but not the least, and the most important one, is spending time with your family, your loved ones. You can bring out old albums, you can watch movies together and cook together. And yes, one more habit that I have added in my lifestyle is cooking. I'm learning to cook, and it is so interesting, you guys. You should also start with small steps for those who are new to it, and those who are doing it, great for you. So I'm also enjoying it. So you can do all those things with your family. So that's it for today. Hope you all like it, and go try few things out, and do let me know in the comment section below. If I have also missed something, do let me know, or if we have something in common, do let me know in the comment section below. You can also DM me in Instagram, and I will get back to you. So